Students, now we learn the chapter 16 local self-government. Now what is meant by government? Government means one of our representative, okay, of the area, of the state or of the country, okay. And in India we have democratic way. So India is a democratic country. That means यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, people are elected their representative through the voting system, okay. And the representative has to work for the people because he is elected by the people or of the people, okay. So गवर्नमेंट क्या है, ओके. गवर्नमेंट का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे नहीं कि डायरेक्ट पीएम बना दिए, डायरेक्ट सीएम बना दिए, ऐसे नहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क होता है. फ्रॉम द बेस, अगर हमें किसी सीढ़ी पे चढ़ना है तो पहले हम फर्स्ट स्टेप पे रखेंगे, देन वी मूव अहेड ऑन सेकेंड, देन ऑन थर्ड, ओके. डायरेक्ट हम जंप करके किसी फोर्थ या फिफ्थ या टॉप लेवल पे नहीं पहुंच सकते. उसी तरह से गवर्नमेंट में भी डिवीजन होता है बाय टू do their administrative work very properly and accurate. See, so it starts from village. As you can see in the picture, the basic or important unit is Panchayati Raj, then above it Taluka Panchayat and above it District Panchayat. This is the village administration's part, okay. And the city administration's parts are municipality and corporation. पंचायती राज एट विलेज लेवल, तालुका पंचायत एट तालुका लेवल एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, okay. And administration run by representative elected by the people at the local level is called local self government. Understood? Now as you can see in the picture, this is the structure of government. You can see that Panchayati Raj or Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of Panchayati Raj. We can say it is the base of all governments, okay. It is on its above there is a Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat, state government and central government, okay. Now what is the formation or the process of to form the Gram Panchayat? See, how they decide that there should be Panchayati Raj or it comes under village. It depends upon the population of that area. If the suppose some area has population from 500 to 25,000, so it comes under village. It can be said as village. तो जहाँ पे village होता है वहाँ पे ग्राम पंचायत का composition होता है, okay. So how many candidates can take part? Minimum there should be 8 and maximum 18 candidates can be take part in panchayat selection, okay. Now who is the head? Head is the sarpanch, okay. And after how many times the election takes place? After 5 years. Recently the panchayat election, I think it's on 19 December, okay. और हर एक जो विलेज है उसका डिवीजन होता है, द इट इज़ नॉन एज वार्ड, ओके. वार्ड नंबर 1, वार्ड नंबर 2, वार्ड नंबर 3. तो जो वार्ड का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है, जो जीतता है वो क्या होता है? कैंडिडेट्स, ओके. और जो ये जो इलेक्शन होता है उसमें कोई स्पेशल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का साइन नहीं होता है, सिंबल नहीं होता है. दे आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट, ओके, डिफरेंट सिंबल्स. Now how they do their administrative work? Administrative means जो वहीवटी, जो पैसे का लेन देन है, क्या काम करना है वो कैसे करते हैं, okay. So सरपंच and the members of the gram panchayat together they decide. So what they decide? How to develop their village. And also government appoint one talati cum minister from his side okay, from government side. So she or he handles administrative work, collect taxes, makes reports, gram panchayat, and prepare forms, etc. Okay. Now from where the source comes, कि ग्राम पंचायत वाले काम करते हैं भाई डेवलपमेंट के लिए अपने विलेज के, कहाँ से सोर्स आता है? जो भी टैक्स तलाटी देता है, कौन सा टैक्स? वाटर टैक्स, क्लीनिंग टैक्स, के शॉप टैक्स, और ग्रांट also given by the state government and the central government. They are using it to develop their village. Now for today's session.